Over the years, as a consultant, I observed the same pattern over and over. Business owners and managers, they were trying to implement continuous improvement for the first time, but they were usually overwhelmed by the scattered, confusing, and awfully theoretical informations. They were looking more for guidance or process they could follow step by step to achieve the implementations, but most of the books today either drive too deep or too fast into the toolbox of continuous improvement and miss the fundamentals of what makes the journey of implementing continuous improvement successful. That's why I decided to write this book. This book actually represents the way I implement continuous improvement with my clients. Simple, structured, and builds a great foundation for continuous improvement, which will allow you to see progress really fast. No over complications, no overly dependent on theories, just what's actually working in the field today. What makes this book different that this is my personal approach on how I implement continuous improvement with my clients. Instead of giving you theories, I walk you through the mindset, the tools, the hurdles, that exactly the way you will encounter them in a real company. This book represents for me the ideal book that I wish many business owners had when they started their journey. Readers will walk away with two big takeaways. The first one is how to create problem solvers at every level of the organization. The second one is what truly matters for successfully implementing continuous improvement for the first time. And why does this book matter now? So organizations lose a tremendous amount of money and time to broken processes without even realizing it. A great foundation of continuous improvement can transform performance faster than any shiny new software or a machine can. This book is for professionals that are exploring continuous improvement for the first time, for business owners, new managers, new engineers, for anyone who is looking for practical, real guidance they can add to their toolbox immediately. My goal is to make continuous improvement accessible and achievable for everyone.